In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly share your Notion templates and pages, whether you're collaborating with a teammate or handing off a polished template to a client. The process is fast and straightforward when you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Before we begin, make sure you have the Notion page or template you want to share open on your screen and give it a quick scan for any private details you don't want to distribute. Start by locating the share button in the top right corner of your Notion page. It usually looks like an arrow or the word share, depending on your window size. Clicking this opens the sharing panel, which is your control center for who gets access and what they can do. If you're on a smaller display and don't see it right away, try expanding your window or checking the three-dot menu. The share option will be there. Next, you'll type the recipient's email address into the field provided. As you start typing, Notion may suggest people from your workspace. You can select from those suggestions or continue typing the full email addresses to invite someone new. You can add more than one recipient by entering additional emails, one after another. This is also the perfect moment to set the right permission level using the drop-down next to each recipient's name. Choose the level that fits your situation. View for read-only access, comment for feedback, or edit for full collaboration. If you're sharing a template someone will duplicate, edit access can be helpful so they can interact with it before making their own copy. Double check the spelling of the emails and confirm you're sharing from the correct workspace if you have more than one. When everything looks good, click Invite. Notion will send an email or in-app notification to the people you've added, and they'll be able to open the page immediately with the permissions you selected. If you need to adjust things later, just return to the share panel to change permissions or remove someone's access. You can also see at a glance who currently has access, which helps keep your sharing tidy and secure. That's all there is to it. Click Share, type the email, and click Invite. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you only want specific people to see your content, make sure you're inviting by email rather than enabling a public link, and always remove any sensitive information from your page before sharing. With these steps, you'll streamline collaboration and get your Notion templates and pages into the right hands in seconds.